This is Ryan from the Carmichael Channel 327. I just wanted to show you a sample of the pictures I took from the Ducktail and the James Dean Festival. Here are some of the cars. Not every single one of those is labeled, so my apologies for that. But anyhow, I hope you enjoy the show and everything, and hope to bring more live updates as I see them. I'm going to be refurbishing some of the videos, at least about half of the videos that were on YouTube, because a lot of them aren't getting the attention that I would like for them to get, and the other 50% have done really well. So I appreciate your support. And YouTube, hopefully with all these changes, we'll be able to bring more viewers and more interest, and hopefully the kind of uniqueness that I'm looking forward to. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed all the videos that I have put out so far, and thank you for your support, and also thank you for watching. So here's a sample of what I'm doing, and enjoy the show.
What's the next one? Oh yeah, baby. Alright. That's what I'm talking about right here.
Sounds good. Gold start on the Ford right here. Pretty amazing truck. There we go. Got him.